Hey, everyone! Welcome back to Error Genie. Today, I am going to show you how to download Google My Business app in iPhone. Google has made managing your business even more convenient by integrating the Google My Business app right within Google Maps. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the seamless transition and show you how to access all the tools you need directly from the Maps app. So, what's changed? Google has brought the power of Google My Business right into the Google Maps app, eliminating the need to switch between apps for business management tasks. Now, everything is consolidated, making it easier for business owners on the go. Let's dive into the tutorial. First, open the Google Maps app on your device. Once you're in, navigate to your business profile. This is where the magic happens. Within your business profile on Google Maps, you'll find a range of tools at your fingertips. Need to update your business hours? Respond to customer reviews? Add some fresh photos? It's all right here, seamlessly integrated within the Maps app. And there you have it. Google has made managing your business a breeze with the integration of Google My Business into Google Maps. Now, you can stay connected with your customers and update your business information seamlessly, all in one place. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more updates, and hit that notification bell to stay in the loop. Until next time, happy managing!